Welcome back to the channel. This is John Gall speaking, and I know it has been a long time since we last uploaded any video regarding any asset, regarding any market. So, yeah, here I am with this BTC setup. This is basically just an explanation video. I recently had shared setup on my Discord, right? It's a private Discord. If you're not already a part of it, you can get in touch with me, and we can talk this through. So I shared this setup right here, right? So this was initially my analysis, and yeah, this is what I'm about to explain to you guys. So how did I arrive at this conclusion, as to what price can do in the future? And before that, yeah, if you guys want to note things down, take a pen or a pencil and a notebook and start with it, because we will be discussing a few ICT concepts. As you guys know, I am following a lot of ICT concepts, and pretty sure this is going to be like really helpful to you guys. So, moving ahead, let's just dive right into it. What is price doing? Right, price is moving sideways, and in a very short duration we're about to see the price down, right? So first of all, what I did was I marked this is the Asia high, this is the Asia low, right? So those are two important levels that I had on my chart. Now we keep on moving ahead. Why are these levels important? Because if you understand sessions, you would know one thing: if Asia goes up, London goes sideways, New York should go down, right? It's not a rule, but this is what you will get to see in the market. If Asia goes down, London sideways, New York goes up, right? If Asia sideways, London up, New York down, Asia sideways, London down, New York up. All right, these rules are not defined anywhere. This is just a phenomenon that you get to see in the market. All right, if you don't already know about these things, just note it down, right? It's going to come in handy. Why? Because I was expecting price to go for the Asia low, right? I was expecting price to go for the Asia low, tap it, and then go for what? The Asia high. All right, if London session was supposed to go sideways, New York should come down, tap this one, and then tap this one, right? That is what my expectation was. Hence, this is what I was hoping for. Anyways, moving ahead. So we are going down. You notice what have I marked here? I marked the New York open kill zone. All right. So I'm expecting price to hit the Asia low during the New York open kill zone. Will it do it? Yep. Right. Right there. A little after the New York kill zone. Right. I've actually taken this from 7 to 11. Right, 7 to 10 should do it, but I've taken this from 7 to 11. Now we have hit Asia low here. We create this low, and now we wait for the price to do something that would make us go long on it, right? So we just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. Still going sideways after tapping Asia low. Yeah, keep going, keep going. You guys will see this LCKZ. This is the London close session. London close kill zone, but yeah, this is the London close session. Now, ICT tells us that if you take a position during the New York open kill zone, it's a good idea to close that position around London close. Because a lot of the times, if you're long, right, if you're long in the New York kill zone, London close should mark its top. If you're short in New York kill zone, London close should mark its bottom. Now that top or bottom can even be the top or bottom for the entire day, right? So if we get a low during the London close session, that might very well be the low for the day. All right. So these are the things that I have in my mind. This is why I say, timing is important. If you're listening to ICT, if you're following ICT concept, timing is very important. So let us move ahead and see what price does. Going ahead, and right there. See, we tapped this low, right? We tapped this low, liquidity taken. Price will now try to move up, right? So this low can very well be the low for the day. We just let price do its thing, go up, right? So obviously, what am I looking for? I'm looking for price to break this high. Why? Because this is the high that created the low, right? Two lines. You should always focus on which can drastically change your trading. The high that created the low and the low that created the high. I'm giving away a lot of things here. So yeah, this is going to be a really important video. Right, so the high that created the low tapped, right? This is tapped now. What next do we have? Right, price created another high right there. So let me just take it here. All right, so I have this thing, right? If you see the extremities, the high of this area is the high of this candle. The low of this area is the low of this candle. Why? Because this represents my premium and discount zones. All right. Again, if you follow me on Twitter, what did I tell you guys? You can prevent a lot of losses just by shorting premiums and buying discounts, and not by going long on premiums and shorting discounts, right? Always short premium, long discount, never long premium and short discount. If you want to note this down, you can note this down. Completely up to you. All right, so this is the middle point. This is where I want to enter on my trade, right? So what do? I just sit there and wait. See, price does not hit my entry. I am not going to buy here. Why? Because I'm still in premium. This and anything below is discount for me. Obviously this is going to be my stop loss because this is the low, but anything below this middle line, anything below this entire pink zone is the discount for me. That is where I am going to long, not here. So we just wait, right? Price comes down. Where does it come down to our entry, right? Comes down to our entry. We already have our entry. All right, now this was the market structure break, right? Or you guys can say the change of character. What am I aiming for? First of all, I'm aiming for the daily open, right? Next, I'm aiming for the Asia high, and then I'm aiming for this level. This is, since this is a dark blue line, I'm pretty sure this is a 4-hour level somewhere. I'm not going to go back in the charts and look for it, but yeah, if I've marked it, it's obviously an important level. So let me first get rid of all this and let's just only focus on the price from here on. All right, what really happened? Keep on moving up. Okay, holding the price. Price goes down, right? Price goes down, again goes down. What happens next? See, taps the low, right? Taps the low, goes up, respecting the trend, right? Goes forward, this high, eventually this high. What next? Does not tap a first target. Comes down, right? Breaks the low, breaks the low. We're not shifting our SL, right? We are not shifting our SL unless we hit our first take profit, right? So we keep on moving ahead. Target hit, right? Price just stumbling around the daily open. Get a close over it, close below it. Actually, the close was over it. Below, and above. Asia high hit. Next. Now let me just press the play button. It will eventually take us there. So yeah, there it is. Final target. Now, what I should have done, obviously all the three targets I hit, I should have kept a small position open, because you guys already know that we went all the way from 21. This is 21,364. We are somewhere around the 24k mark. So yeah, we really did catch the bottom on this move. Sadly, I did not hold on to it. It's quite all right with me. Right? And then the move just blew away, right? So yeah, this was an important level. There you go. Right, that's the 4-hour FVG. 22k, 23k. Oh, right. So right now we are trading somewhere around here. Yeah, almost near the 24k mark. 23,900 something. Right. So I hope this video has been very informative for you guys. If it is, then yeah, do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to it already. Share it with your friends, right? If you have friends who are ICT students or follow his lessons or concepts, do share the video with them, right? And let's get more people on board. And yeah, do uh, share the video with the people who you think can benefit from it, right? Also, join my Telegram channel, both the public announcement channel and the public group. I'm pretty sure you guys will get a lot of material to learn there, right? Plus the company of many other traders, right? So that is about it. Almost 24k. All right, so that's about it. This is all I wanted to discuss. So yeah, I'll see you guys again. Till then, take care. Cheers.